Assalamu alaikum 9th class students. Mathematics exercise number 5.2, question number 6, question number 4 today. Yes, have a look students, question number 4, lecture number 15. Question number 4 is we have to make its factors. Basically these are not factors because if here is positive 4 and here it's positive 6, it means factors are not made. We have to make factors by ourselves. So let's start. These two terms are given, these two expressions are given, so we have to simplify them. Students, in maths, for simplification we can let any value, we can assume any value, but the condition is that after solving we have to replace into the same expression. Just to make it simple, to make it more simple, we can let it any value. Find this, check here xk plus 5x and xk plus 5x. We can let it, to make it short and simple, xk plus 5x, we have assumed it equal to y. Any variable you can let, with whether y, whether t, f, s, any, but I have taken just y. So we will place, instead of xk plus 5x, xk plus 5x, we will place y here instead of. So placed here y plus 4, here it's y plus 6 minus 3. These are simplified to maximum extent. These are simplified. Now we have to multiply them both. So we will get in the multiplication, that is y into y plus 6 plus 4 into y plus 6. So minus 3, we have to multiply now. It will be y square plus 6y plus 4y plus 6 minus 3. Solve it inside the bracket. Y square as it is, 6y plus 4y plus it means 10y plus 6 minus 3. Which means we have simplified it. Sorry, it's 24 because 4 6 times is 24. Now solve it. Y square plus 10y plus 21. So now what to do, students? We have to factorize it. As you know, the factorization method, extreme values we will multiply and we will check that what is the product. Is 21, and now we have to make pairs. We have to select that pair. We have to select that pair which, if we will add or subtract, we can get the midterm, and if we will multiply them, we can get the extreme terms result. So now 21, how we can make is 3 7 times 21. It means when we will add 3 and 7, we can get 21. We will get 10, and if we will multiply 3 and 7, we can get 21. So this pair is valid here. We can apply this pair here, y square plus 7y plus 3y plus 21. So make common. What is common? Y common. Y plus 7 plus 3 into y plus 7, because we have taken common from here. It's 3 taken common. What is left inside? Y plus 7. Y taken common, y plus 7. Here it's y plus 7 into y plus 3. So these two factors we got, but we don't need in y term because we were having in x term. So we have to change in this same terms. So as you know that we were having y is equal to x square plus y square, x square plus 5x, sorry, y is equal to x square plus 5x, y is equal. So we will place the same values here now, means we want to return these values. So now we have placed here x square plus 5x plus 7 into here x square plus 5x plus 3. So these are two factors. Now we have now these two factors in x terms, and we need basically in x terms. This is the answer of question number 4 part 1. Students, it's very easy, just we have to convert into y and open multiplication. After multiplication we got this term and factorized. Now we found the factors. Now move towards part 2. What students, part 1 I have solved for you, part 2 you can solve by yourself. It's the same method as part 1. Now move towards part 3 and 4 part. I will tell you how to solve these. 1 2 3 4 terms are there, and we have to check that we have to make pairs here, means which such type of pair. Suppose if 4, its constant is 4 and its constant, second constant is 5, and as a result what we got, -1. Here constant is 6 and here it's -7. Its result is -1. It means both results are same. So pair we have to take in such a way, in such a arrangement that if we will add or subtract them, we can get the same result. As this is the correct, you can see its arrangement. So we have to take pairs in such a arrangement that if we will add their constants, we can get the same answer. स्टूडेंट्स, उनका ये जो कॉन्स्टेंट्स हैं उनको अगर हम ऐड करें, सब्ट्रैक्ट करें, जो भी हो रहे हो, उनका आंसर सेम आना चाहिए. हमने इस अरेंजमेंट में लेने हैं. सो वी विल आई विल सॉल्व फ्यू क्वेश्चंस मोर, few examples. I'll make you clear about this concept. Suppose part 5 is it's there, it's x plus 1. So now we have to check that the pairs, it's x minus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3 and x plus 4. How to make pairs? We will make pair of first and second, then it's -1 plus 2, that is 1. The third one and fourth one, 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. It means we can't take these expressions in such a arrangement. We have to take arrangement by ourselves. We have to change the arrangement. So how we can take that? It's -1 plus 6, -1 plus 6, it will be 5, and 2 plus 3, that will be 5. So we have taken -1 plus 6, its product is 5, and 2 plus 3, its product is 5, means result is 5. So we can take these two pairs combine and these two pairs combine. So how can we take x minus 1 into x plus 6 into x plus 2 into x plus 3 minus 3x square? After that, what to do? Now you have to multiply them both, means open multiplication, as you have multiplied over there, as you have multiplied these two. So after multiplication you will get such type of values. After multiplication of these both, you will get this one, and you will get such type of the expression you will get after multiplying these two terms, means two pairs. So then what to do? Then you have to let it equal to y or whatever you want. Then the same procedure proceed. and you can get your answer. It's very easy. Just at the start there is this different that we have to take the pairs, and such a pairs that if their product if their addition and subtraction we will take, it should be equal. Fine students, so now you can do question number 4 by yourself, as part 1 is cleared, part 2 is as it is, part 3, 4 and 4, 5 I have given you hint, 3 is also as it is. So part 5 you can do by yourself now. Practice it frequently, solve on your register. Inshallah I'll check, and in next lecture we will start question number 5. Till then, Allah Hafiz.